Now the final thing we need is we need to also add in all of the acquisition related expenses that may not be sales and marketing. And the main category that we have here are onboarding expenses. You acquire customers today, you have to spend the onboarding money in the future. So here there's a 2-month lead. You acquire customers today, you spend this money on onboarding 2 months from now. So if we go over here, the lag adjusted acquisition related total spending is the lag adjusted acquisition related sales and marketing spending plus all of the onboarding expense that was caused by the acquisitions. So again, customers that I acquired in month 4 drove spending in month 6. So I'm going to add in this expense over here. Now, typically then, you're going to have some customers that you just acquired. These numbers over here represent the projections of what onboarding expense will be in future months as a result of the acquisitions that we know that we've acquired. So that's why over here we're kind of pulling onboarding expense from month number 14. Once we have that, then we can get the lag adjusted acquisition related total CAC, which is simply the lag adjusted acquisition related total spending divided by acquisitions. There you go. And as you'd expect, this will be higher than the lag adjusted acquisition related marketing spend that we see over here. I'm just going to get these, maybe what I'll do is I'll add these labels in just to make the graph similar to the one that we have over here. So let me just pull this here. So again, this is lag adjusted sales and marketing versus total CAC. So as you'd expect, if you're just restricting your attention to sales and marketing CAC, the lag adjusted CAC is smaller. If you add back in the onboarding expense, it's going to be bigger. And if we just add in trend lines over here, where we display the equation, and then we did the same thing over here, you can see that this total CAC has been increasing at a faster rate